Hi, this is Subhash Pillai from SP Options. Hi friends, a huge selling pressure dragged the benchmark indices below crucial levels of 18,000 and even 17,700. For reasons behind the huge selling was the first one is rising inflation concern on the global front, which may indicate faster than expected rate hikes by US Fed. The second one is consistent selling of foreign investors. That is, if you see in a single trading session, that is the last trading session, they have sold around 4,000 crore. Next one is reports of overvaluation of Indian equities by some foreign research analyst firm like Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Namoda, and DLSA. One of the main important factor to drag the Bank Nifty to its bottom levels, that is the rising of US dollar index, which is trading actually around 96 at the last trading section. Also, the weak listing of mega IPO Paytm that has already washed around 6,000 crores of investors' money in a single trading section. Let's see what's the next. In the tomorrow's morning section, we have to precisely watch for two things: how the market will behave to the news of scrapping of controversial farm laws by the Prime Minister last week, and the decision of Reliance Industries and Aramco Industries to reevaluate the proposed investment in their O2C business. You all know Reliance is dragging day by day by the last week. It's trading around 2450 range. If any violent move from the investors will drag the Reliance to 2400 or even below 2400, may again drags Nifty to its bottom. Let's analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty by the help of charts and option chain. Let's see the daily chart of Nifty 50. From the chart itself, it's clear. That is, Nifty formed a head and shoulder pattern on daily basis. That is, Nifty is stood around a make or break point. That is, any movement towards the bottom may drag Nifty to 17,594 or 17,386. Most probably, if the Reliance news investor, most probably from the Reliance Aramco deal, if Reliance drag by 1-2%, it may definitely affect Nifty to close below 17,300 level. And on the upper side, still 18,000 seems to be a good resistance for next week. Let's see Nifty's daily chart. This is the intraday chart of Nifty 50. From the chart itself, it's very clear. Nifty is in a big downtrend. So 17,700 is the immediate support. The next trading session, we have to watch precisely how the investors react to Saudi Aramco and Reliance deal. If Reliance drag by 1-2%, we can expect a downside move towards 17,300 range by tomorrow's trading session. So immediately don't jump any trading into the Nifty indices tomorrow. Just wait for 2 hours how the investors react to the Reliance deal and the farmers law. Then only we have to make some trading plan. If there is not much violent move from Reliance side, I think the Nifty initially pull back to 17,594 range. That is 17,500 to 17,400 range. From there is a possibility of consolidation. Then we can expect a pullback from this range. That condition we can buy some option for low target in this level. If Nifty did not take support in this level, we can expect a drag back to 17,300 level. So please trade cautiously in the tomorrow's trading session. Let's see the option chain analysis of Nifty 50. This is the option chain of next week expiry 17,750. The last trading session, Nifty closed around this level, and in that level only 8,000 call writing, and the put side also same 8,000. So this level is not stable. Nifty may gap down around 650 range, 17,650 range tomorrow trading session. If Nifty consolidate in this range 17,600 to 650, if the investors not react much to, if the investors not react much to the Reliance Aramco deal, then we can expect a pullback from this side. In that scenario, we have to buy 17,700 call with a profit of only 30 to 40 point. Stop loss should be below 30 point. And on the higher side, see 17,800. 51,000 call option were added. That is 38,000 added in the last trading session. Same put side also there is 48,000 put option. So 7,800 also not a big resistance. If there is some positive news and positive fresh buying, because tomorrow is Monday, most probably some fresh buying may happen. If any fresh movement will come to the market will bounce back to 17,800 level immediately. After the consolidation in this range, we can expect again a pullback to 17,700 range for the tomorrow trading session. Let's see the hourly chart of Bank Nifty. From the chart itself, it is very clear Bank Nifty is in a big downtrend, because the main reason for this one is the rising of US dollar index that is actually killing Bank Nifty, especially the private sector bank. The last trading session, PSU Bank support Bank Nifty little bit to sustain in this range. That's why Bank Nifty closed around 37,900 range. If the Bank Nifty gap down tomorrow morning, we can expect a down movement towards 37,500 range immediately. So immediately don't make any trading idea in Bank Nifty tomorrow. Let's watch the index. Let's respect the index carefully. Then only make the trading decisions. Let's see the intraday chart. Let's analyze the intraday chart of Bank Nifty. See, the immediate support for Bank Nifty for tomorrow trading session is 38,700 and 38,500. So in the morning session, we can expect a small gap down or flat for Bank Nifty. If the PSU Bank are positive, we can expect a pullback towards this trend line. Initially, we have to face a resistance in this trend line, that is around 38,000 range. So if the index can sustain in this region, we can expect a further move towards 38,200. So tomorrow trade session, the resistance will be 38,000, 38,200. But the condition is the PSU bank should be positive and the private bank should not be dragged much more. If the condition is not fulfilled, we can expect a downside move towards the 37,500 range. In this range, this is the make or break point. For in this range, we have to watch precisely Bank Nifty index, because any move towards downside may lead Bank Nifty to further much fall. Let's see the option chain analysis of Bank Nifty. Let's see the Bank Nifty option chain analysis for next week expiry. See the 38,000 level. We can see huge put unwinding in this region. So according to speculators view, the Bank Nifty cannot cross 38,000 in the tomorrow trading section. The same script we have around 86,000 called. In this 39,000 were added yesterday. So 38,000 should be a first resistance for Bank Nifty in the tomorrow's morning section. If the Bank Nifty gap down around this 37,600 or 700 range, if it's consolidated and the PSU and PSU bank support Bank Nifty, we can expect a pullback towards 38,000 range. In this condition, we can buy 38,700 call for the target of 38,000. Stop loss should be 37,600. If the index cannot sustain in this region, we can expect a further move towards 38,500 range. So the tomorrow's trading session, the Bank Nifty range is 38,000 to 37,500. How the option data is creating by tomorrow section, according to that we can plan the further trading in the Bank Nifty. Friends, if you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel.